Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to get free incident management certificate 2025. This is a limited period time offer and get certified fast. So power up yourself by using the incident management framework training a free certification event. So the event is on Wednesday on October 8, 2025, 8:30 a.m. and Wednesday 8 2025 and 6:30 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. Okay. So three times are there. So you can join one of them. Get certified, complete the course, take the exam to earn your PagerDuty incident management certification, a valuable credential that showcase your expertise and commitment to operational challenges and excellence. Register today and take the first step toward the become an incident management pro. So this is the link. I'll go through the link step by step process. So let me open the link. So here, this is the home page and power of incident management framework. The training event is this. So master the fundamental incident management with the PagerDuty and go down. This will be the details, and in last you can get certified, complete the course and take the exam on a PagerDuty incident management system certification. So agenda is there, incident management system and definition, recommended roles and process, and post incident review. So you can go through that. So I'm going to register that. So your name, India. Would you like to receive marketing emails? No. And Wednesday 8 October I want to receive for 10:30 p.m. Okay, so register now. So registration for the power of incident management framework training is completed. So recommended you to go step by step process for this and try PagerDuty for 14 days. Get started. So this is the process for registration. You will get mail and just log in and go through your webinar. So in this video we will learn how to get free incident management certification 2025 and step by step process and how we'll get registered, and link is given in below. This is the link. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.